Continental Diamond Tool is a homegrown, family-owned company in New Haven, Indiana. We are a leading producer of super abrasive diamond and CBN grinding wheels and tooling. Our customers use our products to make things you're familiar with, like medical devices, automobile parts, circuit boards, drill bits, and cutting tools. Our passion for innovation, technology, and excellent customer service has helped us grow from a small shop in 1973 to a state-of-the-art global manufacturing center today. At CDT, you get the best of both worlds: the superior capabilities, products, and services of a large company, and the integrity, values, and camaraderie of a small family business.
At CDT, we love to be challenged.
Here, we want to see your creativity,
your hard work,
and your drive.
We want your ideas.
We encourage you to think outside the box,
to try new things,
learn from your failures,
and try again.
CDT is doing amazing things for the future.
We invest in technology and innovation.
We give back to the community we love.
And we take care of our people.
The way we see it,
nothing can beat hard work,
quality craftsmanship,
and industry expertise.
And that's what we're looking for at CDT.
So, what is the best thing about working at Continental Diamond Tool?
The best part about working at CDT is working with all the new technology.
The best thing about working at CDT is that I'm surrounded by a great team.
I work with a great team of people who are willing to teach you, work with you, and train you through the process.
The opportunity for growth and advancement.
I learn something new every day.
No matter how hard the job is, we always get it done.
The best thing about working at CDT is the great benefits that they offer.
The best thing about working at CDT is knowing that our products are used around the world.
If you're interested in joining our team, apply today at cdtusa.net/careers.